These how-to videos will help you deploy Domotz in your first network as quickly and efficiently as possible. Once deployed, you will be able to discover all the devices on your network, build a network topology, create and manage alerts on your network devices, and connect remotely to your devices without the need to open ports on your router or install specific software on them. To create a Domotz account, first go to portal.domotz.com. Assuming you have not already created an account, click the Sign Up link and fill in the mandatory fields. You will need to provide an email address, which will serve as your login. You will also need to secure your account with a strong password. To help provide the best experience, be sure to provide your name and contact information, as well as your company and the market or industry you primarily serve. This helps ensure that we provide you with the best possible support based on your needs. At this point, your account has been created. You will automatically be logged into your Domotz portal. Note you can always get back here by going to portal.domotz.com and logging in with your email and password. You will notice that you now need to take the next step and install your Domotz collector. The Domotz collector is a network-based agent. Users typically think of this network agent as a collector or pro. Our collector receives commands from the Domotz cloud service to scan, monitor, and connect to systems on the network. It is important to note that this collector will scan the network that it is associated with and gather information about that network. For instance, if you install the Windows collector on a PC, this will scan the network where the Windows PC is currently attached. After creating your account, you will be redirected to the page where you will be able to download your collector. Choose your system and follow the associated instructions. For simplicity, this video will go through the process of installing the Windows collector. Instructions for installing other agent types are made available on the Add New Agent page within portal.domotz.com. Since we are assuming a Windows collector install, we must first download the Domotz collector executable by clicking on the Download Now link. Depending on your configuration, you then must install the downloaded file and follow the Domotz collector setup wizard. After installing and starting the Domotz collector, you need to associate the Domotz collector to your Domotz account. The Domotz collector can be accessed through port 3000 on the host where you installed it. If you are installing the collector on the machine you are currently using, you will be able to activate the collector directly from the portal. You can also access the IP address of the agent and go directly to port 3000. Lastly, if you forget or lose the IP address from the local machine, you can go to http://127.0.0.1:3000 and log into your account. Once you are on the Domotz collector page, you will need to add your username and password, which you created for your Domotz portal access. This process associates your collector to your cloud account. Qualify your first collector name and click Activate Now for free. After activating it, your Domotz collector will start to scan your network. Upon activation, the Domotz collector will immediately start scanning the network for which it is associated. Please wait a few minutes for a complete scan to occur. The time it takes depends heavily on the size of the network and the number of devices on that network. A few quick notes about the activation process. After discovering your devices, you may see an orange bar at the top of your screen that says that there may be network delays. This can happen if the collector is running on a host that may be slower or if you have slower internet services from your provider. This often resolves itself, but if the problem persists, please feel free to reach out to Domotz support by sending an email to support@domotz.com.